Now, here's a big question. Right now, the markets are red. We have seen Bitcoin hitting 100,000 for the first time, and it went above as far as 107,000 US dollars. Now we are back at around 90,000 US dollars. Currently, we are at 95,000 US dollars. Is
Yeah.
it the end of the bull market that has just started? This is the end of the bull market. Can you take us through? If you can share your charts, you are also welcome to do so.
Yeah. I'm trying to share my chart. Let's see. It's saying it's sharing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can still see our face. There we go. All right. I want to show people the bigger picture. Okay. On the right hand side, everything is green except ADA, which was also green just a few moments ago. Okay. Now, let's look at the Bitcoin chart. Okay. So, I mean, everything is red. Did I say green? My goodness. Everything
Yeah,
is red.
I noticed you said
You know,
everything
no,
is
everything
red.
is red except ADA, that is green. Okay. So, what I like to do when somebody is panicking, I like to show them the bigger picture. Now, what I have on my chart is the bigger picture, right? Bitcoin has been moving. Let me just start it here in September, but it's been moving higher, even higher than this. Okay. So just from September this year, Bitcoin went up 100%, a hundredfold. Okay. 100%. And in the last few days, from the top to the lowest of today, it was 14% drop. And to where it is now, it's 10% drop. And people are crying, right? So who's crying? The person that entered here. That's the person who's crying, right? And let me show you where I entered. Oops. Let me show you where I entered. And I have no reason to cry, okay? Let me show you where I entered. September 2023, January 2023. Look at where I entered. So I entered here. Okay. So look at this and look at that huge move that we have. So why should I cry? I'm not crying, right? So it's all about perspective and it's all about where did people enter. So when Bitcoin was boring around this area here, okay, we were saying enter. Bitcoin is boring. This is the perfect time to come in. But people were not listening to us, right? So people didn't come in during this time. During this time here, they did not come in, right? They come and enter here at the top. And then Bitcoin retraces 15%, then hey, it's a bear market.
All right.
It's, it's
So a small retrace because they entered at the top is already making them crash.
then they panic, right? And you know what? I don't blame them, especially if you are new, right? I don't blame them, especially if you are new. I mean, I had two people calling me today, um, from my course, my students. Two people calling me today and saying, "Hey, this thing is going down, and what do you think? Should I exit?" I said, "Exit? What are you talking about exiting?" You know. So we are not exiting right now, we are filling up the bags. When we see green days, when we see red days, it's opportunities for us to fill up the bags, you know. So so people will just panic. That's why I'm saying that before you panic, I like to show people the bigger picture. This is a minor retracement, guys. Minor retracement. This is what 14%, and people are crying. So
There's no
from there,
market that just goes up straight away, straight line up. There has to be a retest. There has to
I mean,
be a breathing space for the
of
market.
course, of course, and rightfully so. from where I entered, right, somewhere right here, I mean, look at that. Up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So up, down, up, going sideways, and then up, and then you can expect some down movements, right? And then you can expect some upward movement. That's how the market works. So it is nice. I know it's a good feeling, to see a green candle. It's a very good feeling. I enjoy it myself. Nobody likes red candles. So I also enjoy it myself. But market just can't go on a straight up. If it does, it's unhealthy. So it means that when it crashes, it's going to crash big, right? Just for reference purposes. Okay. Just for reference purposes. Where's January? January is here. January is here. Just for reference purposes. To where we are today, it's 484% gains. That's 4x, right? Since last year to today. So in almost 2 years, because Jan 2025 will be 2 years, to the top, it's 542% gains. Who's going to give you 542% gains? No bank is going to give you that. That's for sure. In 2 years, no bank is going to give you that. If you are investing heavy amounts of money, that's it. You are done. If I've got 20, 40, 50 million rands that I've invested and I make 500%, that's it. I'm done. My bull market is done. I'm gone. You know what I mean? So, because no bank is going to give you that. No bank is going to give you that.